just on the tip. Cool. Short nails for all of you for who loves short nails, and then you have a clients have a short nails. If you want to decide to get this colors on and then you still want it to be brighter, do make sure that you add a top coat first and then cure first. You don't want to leave a tacky layers like what I'm having right now, because the pigment's gonna rub on that. So make sure you remember it to put the top coat first, then you can rub a pigment. But I don't know if I want a pigment. I can have a pigment if I want to. So how everyone doing? Are you working on the contest nails? So excited to have everyone participate. Good luck everyone, have fun. More important than enjoying it and have fun. It's like challenge yourself and you will get there. Cure this one for 60 seconds. And then that's the colors, but I really like to do this one as well, the pink one. Oh, thank you, Cece. So let's see the hot pink, which is the pink. I'm looking for the blue too. I will find blue for you. I think it's somewhere around here. I have so many of them laying on the side, and I clean it up and I make a mess again. But I think I'm gonna do 3 of them in different colors. Just in case your clients decide to get 10 nails with the French, and each of them will be different colors. How's everyone doing today? And if you have any question for the contest or any concern, not sure anything, please let me know. I will do my best. If I'm not sure with the answer, I will have the team get back to you. This one is so unlike cool though. It's easy to control. And let's do next one. Sorry. And then I must have the blue one somewhere. Can I get the blue one?
You want your painting?
Yes, I think it's the blue one. I did this too, the yellow and the pink. This one is yellow. And then I'm not using a blue. Can cut. This one, it gives you really precise strokes, so you don't have to like getting a big brush from a gel polish. This is like really pigmented and thick density, like not thick like our gel painting in the pot, but also thinner. So it's kind of between our gel polish and a gel painting. So it's so easy that it's not running or it's not looked translucent. So it's solid color is like opaque. So then that way you can get a cool French look without have to using any other brush to clean up the excess, like all that gel polish. Really cool. So here, this one. And hi Fire, how are you? Hey Six Mom. Dea. Hello, how are you? Hi Nene. Hey Tori. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Happy Tuesday. Hi Jenny. All right, so it's good if you want, like, if the clients don't want this and the clients want more designs, there's more fun to do with this. I'm so excited. This is today, we're going to do something fun, but tomorrow we're going to do something even really cool though, with a lot of different new products. So in front of me, there's a lot of different cool new charms. I know a lot of you like, I don't know if I'm going to play with these charms. I don't know how to play with them. And they're probably really fun, but then they're also really hard to do. It's not. It's just so much fun. So on the contests, you can either do like crystal placement along, incorporate with your frames, charms, and anything you want. Like the same like what I have it on my nails right here. You can absolutely do with this. You don't have to just settle with just crystal only. You can do this with like your crystal, your charm, your beads, or even you wrap around your chains and anything, however you would like it. So it's gonna be so fun. Hi Brad, how are you? All right, so it looks good now. If you want, I'm gonna go into the crystal placements, and I didn't want to mess it up, because if I do more and I've start do more, you said like, oh my god Nancy, you covered everything. So